Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Yolissa here again, and I'm loving the upgrade on the package. A nice pop of color, and then everything else is neutral, you know, branded as usual. And ooh, what we got inside is this lovely blonde wig, which we're gonna get into. All right, let's see what else we got in the package. I got a pair of lashes here. I got a Yolissa headscarf, a Yolissa elastic band, and everything is branded. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I also got this branded Yolissa drawstring bag. Has all their socials listed on the back as well. And I also got this edge brush and comb. That's everything in the box. This is the wig and how it looks straight out of the packaging, guys. Like, it came with pre-curl, so you know it's gonna give you that nice body wave vibe. This is a HD lace front wig, right? A undetectable HD lace front. It's a skin melt transparent kind of lace. It's been a while since I've installed a 613 hair color, but I'm excited to do this today. It's 200% in density, like I can feel it. Yes, it does have a bit of weight, and you can tell from the hair it's really full. It's 24 inches long as well when stretched. All right, so be mindful of that. Yolissa, definitely, yeah, this construction looks really good. It is also pre-plucked in the hairline, so that's amazing. It's a 13x4 as well, if I didn't mention that. And this is how the inside of the cap looks. It has a total of 3 combs in there and adjustable straps in the back, as well as this adjustable elastic band inside for extra security, which is also removable. All right, so yeah, that's looking good. Now that I got through that, let's go ahead and get into this installation. By the way, you can feel free to go ahead and tone this, kind of tone down the yellowness, but I'm gonna go ahead and install it as is, so you see that you could rock it in the same state it comes in if you wish. But I know that a lot of people like myself, I do like to tone my blonde wigs, but I love to also give you guys options and variety. So I'm going to go ahead and install this wig as is, so you see how it looks straight out of the packaging. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this is how it looks once I slip it on. The hairline looks really good. What I'm gonna do is go in, I'm gonna use my lace spray for the adhesive today, and I don't think I want to do any baby hairs. I just want a nice sleek kind of melted vibe going, you know, because the hairline is plucked really nicely and I love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and into spraying that up right across the hairline and dry it down, which I'll speed through.
I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep scoring. I lose my breath for you. out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
Cut away the excess lace and just ensure that everything looks melted. So any part that isn't melted enough, I just take a little bit of my spray and go over that area. Okay.
Me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
So just tie that down for a little bit to let it, you know, melt in. And then I'm just gonna go over the top here with my hot comb just so that it lays flatter. Parting, whether you want to part it on the side or in the middle, you can do so because it is a free part lace front. Okay, so feel free to go ahead and do a side part if that is what your heart desires. It looks really good, really good. Oh, and the lace so far, super easy to work with.
Higher, every little thing you do.
And I love that, you know, the wig came pre-curled. That's if you want to wear it straight out of the package. You don't have to worry about styling it because they already did that for you in terms of curling it. So I really love that. So all you really need to worry about is pretty much installing it. All I'm gonna do is pretty much take my hands to run through these curls. So far this is the amount of shedding I'm getting. It's minimal. It's a little bit more than I would like, but yeah, just to show you guys, I didn't get any just now. I also did cut from the ear portion, so if you cut the lace, please bear that in mind that it will, you know, accelerate shedding. So what I love though is that the hair doesn't feel dry. That's a good sign because it's processed. You guys know it's the holidays and I feel like a lot of you girlies love to explore a really good 613 wig or 613 look, and if you are looking for a wig to give you that vibe, this is definitely an option. I can tell you, you're looking for the density, you're looking for the movement, you know, you're looking for the smooth texture, you know, you don't want anything that's coarse and just looks dead and lifeless. This is your wig. Let me know what you guys think, and that's it for today. That's it for today. I hope you guys found this informative. All right, I hope you really did. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like, comment, share, turn on your post notification bell so you can see each and every time I do upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.
Time you hold me, take me high.